The NH01 floor lamp from Neewer is a futuristic design with a tiny footprint that integrates seamlessly into your smart home. As well as a vast array of lighting customization options, the smart features enable the accompanying Neewer app to build automations to control the lamp automatically. What's more, the NF01 is compatible with both Alexa and Google Home for voice control and other more complex automations, interacting with your other smart devices. Neewer sent me the NF01 from their range of smart lights to check out for this video. It's a design that I've been interested in for a long time. I already have a similar desk lamp, but I've always wanted to check out the floor model for use in my living area. The sleek design blends itself invisibly into any room it finds itself in, but has the ability to brightly and interestingly light the environment. Considering Neewer's existing production of high quality lighting and related equipment, their expansion into consumer lights and devices is perhaps less surprising than it might initially appear to people familiar with the brand. If you're not already familiar with Neewer as a brand, they are mainly known for photography equipment. Nearly all of my own equipment for making videos is manufactured by Neewer, and I've always been impressed with the engineering. The light itself requires some assembly, with the stand being made of 4 individual pieces that include the base, with the power and connectivity technology built in. Then you have 3 separate parts for the main stem of the light that holds the flexible light strip. The first step is to assemble the sections into a single structure using the supplied brackets, screws and screwdriver. I've assembled a lot of equipment and self-assembly furniture over the years, and the first thing that struck me was how well machined the parts are, with a very accurate tolerance that makes the assembly very easy. Once the light stem is completed, you connect the light strip to the connector at the bottom and gently push the wiring down into the base. Then you press the LED strip into the metal bracket until it's flush with the edges. The placement of the lamp makes a big difference. I positioned it against my family room wall for some of the footage, but given the lamp's 180-degree light spread, it's optimally positioned in a corner of a room. Once connected to a power supply, the light will turn on automatically, but there's also a power button located on the base for manual control too. There's a remote that works once you've installed the AAA batteries, which need to be bought separately. Using the remote, you can toggle the power on and off. The center button in the dial will cycle through the various static colors. Brightness is controlled by pressing the up and down buttons. The flash button makes the light slowly change to various light hues at the same time. The random button will trigger random effects for the available settings. The multi button will set random colors as a static pattern. The strobe button makes the light turn on and off using a combination of different random hues. Finally, the breathe button will gently pulsate the light. Setting up the light to work with the Neewer app is very straightforward following the instructions. The app follows a very familiar structure to similar official apps for smart devices elsewhere. The first page is the device library. If you have more than one Neewer smart device, they will all appear here. The second page is where you can set the preset lighting effects either using the default settings, or you can edit them to your liking by tapping on the 3 lines for each. The second app on the page is where you can build automations. For example, if you're not intending to link the lamp to your smart home, then you can build an automation that automatically turns on the lamp to your designated hue and brightness at a set time on a given day. Each automation will be listed here. The third tab is reserved for controlling groups of Neewer smart lights if you happen to own several devices and you want to operate with a single control. The third page directs you to the official Neewer community. It's a place to connect and read about various topics with other Neewer owners. The fourth page is a link to the Neewer online store. The final page is where you'll find the profile settings plus the ability to add other family members to control your connected lights. It will require the other members of the household to have the Neewer app installed as well though. To ensure your light automatically receives future bug fixes and features, I recommend enabling the automatic firmware updates. To access all the fun features for your lamp, you'll need to navigate to the first page and tap on the lamp icon. The main functions across the top are the settings which show you the device name, MAC address, firmware version and network status. You can also review and rename the device here, plus there are 2 links to guides on how to connect your lamp to your smart home, which I cover off later in this video. The second button is the ability to set more specific automations for the lamp itself. The previous automations enabled you to create routines that would control multiple devices. Here you can specifically set controls for just the one device. The third button toggles the lamp's power status on and off. The fourth button provides a link to the AI chatbot. This feature is intended to allow users to control the light using plain language commands, which the AI bot would then execute. The most fun features and controls can be found in the Power button tab. Under the illumination section, you'll find the brightness controls and a shortcut to turn the lights up to maximum. The first slider controls the warmth of any white light you set from 1800 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. Beneath that are some default shortcuts to different white hues and the ability to save the new hues as shortcuts. Under the colour section, you can use either a colour wheel to exactly choose your favourite hue and then save them below. Or you can tap on full spectrum to change to a segment where you can set individual colours by segment of the light strip. Then, if you'd like to blend them together more seamlessly, you can toggle on the gradient. My favourite section is the scenes. Much like other similar smart lights, you have an enormous array of preset colours and animations to choose from. The options are broken out into categories. The other major fun category are the music functions. You can have the light react in 2 ways to music. The first way is to have the lights animate based on the music playing from your connected device that you use to control the light. The second way is that the light can interact with music via the built-in microphone. Both methods enable you to adjust the speed and sensitivity of the interactions. The final section in the app enables you to create completely unique animations and lighting effects and save them as quick access buttons. Setting up the NF01 to work with your smart home follows the same process as other devices. I run Google Home as the hub for my smart home. To connect the NF01 to Google Home, open the Google Home app and tap on the plus sign. Next, tap on Link Apps or Services. Next, search for Neewer or choose the official app and then log in with your credentials. Next, tap on the floor lamp to select it and follow the prompts to add it to your home, choosing the room you want to add it to. Once complete, back out of the setup and you'll find the lamp in your designated room. The lamp will be controllable via voice and Google Assistant using the name that you've labelled it. Plus, you can now add it to automations in Google Home. The NF01's performance is impressive, delivering 1500 lumens, which is a lot more than the average room lamp, rated at about 800 lumens. This output easily fills the surrounding area with light. The different colours and animations are a lot of fun to play with and give you an almost unending number of options to choose from. With a colour temperature range of 1800 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, for more sedate settings, the broad range of white lights means that you can create a cosy atmosphere or raise your mood during overcast days. The slim form factor means that it's largely unnoticeable unless it's turned on, which lends itself to a minimalist decoration in your home. Anyone who is a fan of a clean aesthetic will appreciate its ability to blend into any room. It also has a very small footprint, which gives it the opportunity to hug the corner if required and won't get in the way of any other furniture. Overall, it's a great addition to any smart home to address a specific requirement you have for a low profile but effective light for any room. Thank you for watching, and as always, it would be great if you were to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content on personal technology and the connected home. And if you want to pick up the NF01 for yourself, I've left a link in the description below.